Okay, so this is part 2, and we're going to be decorating the hat and the neckline today. And so this is what I found in my biker stash of things. I used to be a biker, so I found this little pen in my jewelry stash. And so I decided to use this to put on the top of the hat. And you can find these little pens just about anywhere these days. I'm sure they sell them on Amazon. I will look them up and see. But it's just something to give the hat a little bit of a biker look that says either Harley Davidson, or you can just put angel wings, whatever. Just be creative and use your own ideas to decorate the hat however you like. But this is the pen that I chose. And so I just made for sure that I got it very secure on there and glued it down real well. And so I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward because the rest of this is self-explanatory basically as we're working through securing the hat and just getting everything glued down. Okay, so now we're here at the neckline, and all I did was just cut out a piece of the fabric from the shirt and just basically wrapped it around the neck and glued it down. You can just take the measurement, depending on how thick your snowman is, just cut it out and just glue it to the back of underneath the hat back part so you can't see it. And that's really about it. Wasn't that hard to actually do that part. That was probably one of the easiest parts. And just make sure you glue it and secure it down real good.